Nah, what? Thanks, boo. I know that's right. Got you a plate. Uh-huh. Bye, cousins. Have fun. Bye.
Walking through a crowd, the village is aglow. Kaleidoscope of loud heartbeats, undercoats. Everybody here wanted something more, searching for a sound we hadn't heard before. And it said, welcome to New York. It's been waiting for you. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. It's been waiting for you. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York.
That's wild. Really cooking right now?
Gotta eat, man. Bacon, egg, and cheese, fresh off the rail.
Smells amazing.
Almost done. Hit it with that cheese melt. Boom. Wrap it up.
How much?
5 flat.
Bet.
Oh my God. Bro, you record? No, don't record.
Hello everyone, the New York City Police. This is Clinton, Washington Avenue.
Pardon me, ladies and gentlemen, listen. Contrary to your belief, I do not have no sad story to give you about me being homeless. I'm not hungry and I'm not thirsty. Please respect my honesty because that's all I have. So with that being said, can anybody on this train help a brother out on getting a bag of weed? I'm trying to get high. For those who speak Spanish, uno peso para allá, por favor. I'm not gonna lie to you, my name is not Donald Trump. I'm not talking no bullshit. Listen, I'm not gonna hold you down. People talking about they hungry, they need food and they need water. I got a food stamp card. I ain't gotta worry about that shit.
Only in New York City, everyone be minding their own business like this.
I said, welcome to New York. It's been waiting for you. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. It's been waiting for you. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. It's a new soundtrack. I could dance to this beat.
launch your career in journalism at Northwestern University's Medill School in Louisville.
Only in New York.
You gotta wake up! You gotta wake up! You gotta wake up! You can't be asleep all day long! Get up out that depression! Get up out that sadness! Get up out that loneliness! You gotta go chase your goals! You gotta go